Alright, let's get something straight. I am starting from zero. No Bitcoin, no fancy mining rig, no startup capital, just a laptop, an internet connection, and a plan to earn one whole Bitcoin. And currently, one Bitcoin is worth over $117,000. I will be using a couple of different apps, a couple of different strategies in order to achieve this goal. And I will be sharing everything with you guys. So is it still possible to earn one full Bitcoin using these free apps, using these mining platforms, and a couple of other strategies? We're gonna find out. I will be documenting everything, what works, what fails, what tools I'm using to achieve this goal, and I will be showing you guys all the progress along the way. Right now, Bitcoin is more than just cryptocurrency. It is digital gold. And if you ever thought I should have started earlier, this is your chance to follow someone doing it from scratch. There are no excuses. There's no rich uncle funding this. Just effort, strategy, and some very good tools. At over $100,000 per coin, that means each Satoshi is becoming more valuable by the day. So one Bitcoin is literally 100 million Satoshis. So we have a lot of them to accumulate. So I have created a simple spreadsheet showing you guys the progress. As you can see, I have listed everything so far. And we are going to be using the GoMining platform in order to mine some Bitcoin. But as you can see, I have many positions open for other apps, other ways to earn Bitcoin, and some of these ways are absolutely free where you don't even have to invest any money whatsoever. So I will be sharing all of those apps and ideas in upcoming videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. But as you can see, with just GoMining in June, we were able to make $78.67, and this is how much Bitcoin we have accumulated for the month of June. And so far this month, we have made a little bit more Bitcoin. Now our total US dollar value of BTC is just over $100. I will be documenting every little piece of Bitcoin that I earn, and this total earned Bitcoin is being withdrawn to an offline wallet. I'm not keeping this on exchanges. I'm not keeping this on any platform. I am literally taking the Bitcoin off into cold storage for safekeeping. Also, if you are looking for an amazing wallet to keep your crypto offline and keep it very safe, I have some linked in the description box below, so make sure you check those wallets out. Also, tomorrow I will be launching another video showing you another platform that I started using in order to earn Bitcoin. This is an absolutely free game that allows you to earn BTC every single day, and we will be adding it to this section right here, so stay tuned for that video. So some of our first Bitcoin that we have earned came from the GoMining platform. As you can see, we currently have a couple of miners. If you want to give GoMining a try, the link will be in the description box below. But with this platform, you simply purchase a miner, and every single day you'll be earning some Bitcoin. So when we copy these Satoshis right here and we go over to the calculator and we paste it, you will see that we are earning $1.78 worth of Bitcoin every single day. Hopefully over the next couple of weeks, I will upgrade a lot of these miners and I will be earning even more, thus speeding up the process of us getting closer to one whole BTC. Just to let you guys know, this is not a get rich quick scheme overnight. We are not going to wake up tomorrow with one Bitcoin in our wallet. This will definitely take some time, and it will take a lot of hard work and dedication, and most importantly, a lot of patience. Stacking up Satoshis definitely is time consuming, and a lot of these apps, these programs that claim to earn you Bitcoin, a lot of them do, but it definitely takes some time. So I will be going into different strategies, different ways to accumulate Bitcoin over the next couple of weeks, and I will be documenting everything. So if you have any suggestions of any apps that you want me to look at, drop those in the comment section below. One of the reasons why I'm starting this challenge is because there's a lot of new people jumping in the crypto space, and a lot of them simply jump into the space thinking they can get rich overnight. They take their money, they invest it in meme coins, and they go broke. Meme coins are extremely risky. So the reason I'm doing this is for a lot of people to build that foundation. Once you have a solid foundation, once you have some Bitcoin in your wallet stacked away, then you'll be set for the long term. Right now, Bitcoin is on the rise, but who knows where the price of BTC will be 5 or 10 years from now. It might be at $500,000. It might even be at $1 million. So if you can accumulate one Bitcoin right now, you might become a millionaire in the next 5 to 10 years by simply holding on to your BTC and by stacking Satoshis. Right now, Satoshis are not worth much money, but over time, as the price of Bitcoin rises, every single piece of BTC will be worth some good money. So right now, in my opinion, is a great time to stack. It is never too late to start accumulating some Bitcoin. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick intro. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, I will be releasing another video with this app that can earn you Bitcoin for free. All right, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.